Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to update your Node.js version from the old version to the newest version or the latest version. First of all, you have to go to a terminal. For example, in the VS terminal here, I am using a Mac, and in VS terminal here, so what you can do, you can check first of all if you have Node.js installed by writing node space -v. And as you can see, I have this version v20.2.0. So to update it, for example, this is the latest version, but we are going just to show you how we will update if, for example, this becomes old. So first of all, you can write sudo so that you can pass to your administrator password before doing some installation. Sudo npm, then cache, C-A-C-H-E, then clean -f. So you press enter and wait. So now you have to enter your password and press enter. And after that, it will clean the place for you to update. Next, what you have to do is to enter another command called sudo npm install. Then now is -g, this is in a global way, and n, and press enter. And wait for the installation. As you can see here, it is changed one package in 3 seconds. Next, what you want to do is to shoot for the latest version, sudo and then latest. And as you can see, we press enter and wait and see. Yes, so it is copying this latest version. As I told you, I have it already installed. But if your version is older than this one, then it will update it to the latest version here. But we have to wait to the end. And as you can see now, it is updated to the latest version. So if I come back here just to check it again, I now have it. If it was older, the newest version should be here. This is the way how we can update Node.js from old version to the new version in terminal using VS Code. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you for another video. Bye.